Hi guys, Terry here. Hey, I got my Mosaic Moments month 7 die set in the mail yesterday, so I want to make a video. This is month 7 of 8, so just one more month. And for those of you that are subscribed, I'm not sure that everybody has heard that they have posted videos showing each set of dies. So I'll have a link to that on the Mosaics website. And the other thing is they promised to have a class today, so I'll have a link to that class for those that are signed up for the monthly subscription. So the other thing that I'll mention is I just got an email from Mosaic Moments, and they have a new honeycomb die that's really pretty. I'll insert a picture here. And then they also have another new die set called Labels, and again I'll put a picture here. But those sets are 20% off. I don't know for how long. And then there's free shipping if you order one of their new dies. The email said that there's 5 new die sets. So those 2 were shown, and then there must be more on the website. So I'll have a link to Mosaic Moments. But let's see what month 8 is. I think it's a continuation. Oh, no, it's a new one. So the 2 dies included in your box this month are the wavy 4x5 and the layer. And then, of course, we get the project cards. So here's what the dies look like. And I have seen their video of what these are used like. It's called wavy. And I saw a layout. Oh, here's one. Yeah, so here on the project cards. Isn't that cool? I love that wave. So I think any kind of beach pictures or vacation trips would be really fun with these. So, look how pretty that is. And then here's one where they did it down the page. So that's pretty cool. Very neat. So just something extra that you can't do with, cutting your photos straight for on the grid paper. So if you're not familiar with the grid paper, here's what it looks like. So it's a 12 by 12 layout, and it's got the lines drawn on it. And then the idea is that you cut your photos, many photos, matter of fact, many photos will fit on here. So you trim your photos down to these size, and they've got a basic set. I like to store my dies in this little art bin for my mosaics. And they've got basic sets, which look like these. They have A through E. And as you can imagine, they're every size for making the photographs fit onto the grids. And then they started coming up with these other sets of dies. So things that are just fancier with curves and stuff. So I've enjoyed being a member of the club. The first month she made a video and kind of showed us how to use the first die, and I think everybody appreciated that. I think some of us were then in the impression that there'd be a video each month. So it seems like Mosaic Moments is playing catch up. They do have videos now for each of the sets. And like I said, I'll have a link to that below. So this die set looks really cool. So it's got the top layer, the curve, and I guess they're calling this a layer here. So that's the layered part that's polka dotted. So I'll show you these examples again. So this one here, I really like how they have it vertically. And then on these little project cards, they show 2 sample layouts. So they've got a couple of books that you can buy. I think there's a 3rd book out now. But on their website, they've got a gallery, and they show these ideas. And it's just really handy, because if you know you've got this size of photographs, then this would be a good layout for those pictures. So sometimes I use these as a jumping off point, and then I make them fit my photos. But I do really like that they have those ideas. And the QR code on here will take you to where they've got the video and more information about this set. So here's one, and then of course they show a 2-page layout, and here's the set that they started out with. Notice it's a square picture there, but then they used that die to be what was layered on that. So love the ideas that they give. So I hope you find this handy. I'll have a link to their site and their sale. The honeycomb die looked really good, and I like the idea of the label one. It was really handsome. So just a quick video to show you what came in month 7. And like I said, next month will be the final month of that subscription thing that they had. So I will talk to you soon. Subscribe if you haven't. And I appreciate you watching. Have a great weekend.